Alright, let's talk robotics. And no, not in Silicon Valley or Tokyo. Today we're heading somewhere you might not expect, the Philippines. This country is making some serious waves in the world of robotics, and it's time we shine a spotlight on what's happening there. Today, I'm diving into how the Philippines is quietly becoming a powerhouse in advanced robotics. It's not just about catching up with the rest of the world. They're actually setting trends and finding unique ways to use technology to solve problems that matter locally and globally. Now you might be thinking, wait, the Philippines? Aren't they all about beaches and BPOs? That's the image most people have. Beautiful islands, friendly people, and a booming outsourcing industry. And sure, those are awesome, but there's a whole other story brewing in their tech scene. Behind the scenes, a new generation of engineers, inventors, and dreamers is hard at work, building the future one robot at a time. Over the last few years, Filipino engineers and startups have been rolling out some seriously cool robots. These aren't just science fair projects, they're real, working machines making a difference in everyday life. We're talking about everything from AI-driven delivery bots, zipping through city streets, dodging traffic and delivering packages, to robots that are helping businesses run more efficiently. And let's not forget the smart robots in hospitals assisting doctors and nurses during the pandemic, helping with everything from delivering medicine to disinfecting rooms, keeping both patients and staff safer. One standout is the Robotics Society of the Philippines. This organization is at the heart of the movement, bringing together experts, students, and hobbyists to push the boundaries of what's possible. These guys are inspiring thousands of students, high schoolers and college kids, to build and code their own robots. They're running workshops, competitions, and mentorship programs all over the country. Honestly, some of their builds could go toe-to-toe with what I've seen at MIT. The creativity and technical skill on display are seriously impressive, but here's the thing. What makes Filipino robotics unique isn't just the tech, it's the community, the collaboration, and the drive to make a real impact. It's the way they're using robotics to solve real-world problems. They're not just building robots for fun, they're tackling issues that affect millions of people. Take Agribot, for example, an autonomous robot designed to help farmers plant, monitor, and harvest crops. It's making farming more efficient and sustainable, especially in rural areas where resources are limited. In a country where agriculture is huge, that's a game changer. It means more food, less waste, and better livelihoods for farmers and their families. Then there's Rescue a Robot, built for disaster response. This machine can navigate dangerous environments, search for survivors, and deliver supplies when humans can't get through. Think search and rescue after typhoons or earthquakes, which, if you know the Philippines, is a big deal. Natural disasters hit hard here, and having robots on the front lines can save lives. And let's not forget the Philippine Robotics Olympiad. This annual event is a massive celebration of innovation, teamwork, and youthful energy. Every year, students from all over the country compete with robots they've designed and built themselves. The level of competition is fierce, but the atmosphere is all about learning and sharing ideas. It's not just about winning trophies, it's about building a whole new generation of tech innovators. These kids are the future engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs of the Philippines. What's wild is how accessible robotics is getting over there. Schools and community centers are offering affordable kits so anyone can get started no matter their background. A lot of the parts are 3D printed, which keeps costs down and sparks creativity. Students are learning to design, print, and assemble their own components. And open-source software is king. With free tools and online resources, even beginners can jump in and start coding their own robots. So even if you don't have $1 million lab, you can still get your hands dirty and make something amazing. It's all about resourcefulness and passion. So, next time you think about tech innovation, don't sleep on the Philippines. There's a whole movement happening here, and it's only getting bigger. Their approach is practical, creative, and honestly inspiring. They're not just following trends, they're setting them and doing it with heart. I'm keeping an eye on what's coming next from their robotics scene, and if you're into tech, you probably should too. The next big breakthrough might just come from a Filipino garage or classroom. Hit me up in the comments with your thoughts. Would you want to build a robot in the Philippines, or maybe you've already started? I'd love to hear your stories and ideas. Until next time, keep geeking out, keep building, and remember, the future of robotics might just have a Filipino accent.